Hello students, in this lecture we are going to learn very important chapter, that is area, and its important part, that is area of a triangle. Formula for area of a triangle, very good, 1/2 into base into height. Now what is the meaning of height? Height is a segment drawn from vertex of a triangle to the opposite side. Okay, so another formula of area of triangle is called as Heron's formula, and it is area of triangle equal to into square root s into s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. Now what is s here? So diagram of triangle PQR. Now its three sides respectively a, b and c. So a, b, c are the three sides of a triangle. And what is s? S is semi perimeter. So semi perimeter, and it is equal to perimeter divided by 2. Now perimeter of a triangle is equal to the addition of all three sides. So a plus b plus c is a perimeter of a triangle, and divided by 2 means semi perimeter of a triangle. So understand the formula of Heron for calculation of area of a triangle. Now let us solve some examples based on Heron's formula and formula for area of a triangle. First example, if the side of a triangles are 17 centimeter, 25 centimeters and 26 centimeters, find the area of the triangle. So which formula is useful here? Right, Heron's formula. So for Heron's formula, we want semi perimeter. Now here A is equal to 17 centimeters, B is equal to 25 centimeters and C is equal to 26 centimeters. So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2, and it is equal to 17 plus 25 plus 26 upon 2. So addition of 17 plus 25 plus 26, it is 68, and divided by 2, that is equal to 34 centimeters. So it is semi perimeter of a triangle. Now by Heron's formula, area of a triangle, it is equal to into the square root s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. So s is equal to 34, therefore into the square root 34 into 34 minus 17, 34 minus 25 and 34 minus 26. So solve the brackets first. 34 into 34 minus 17, that is 17, 34 minus 25, that is 9, and 34 minus 26, that is 8. So into the square root 17 into 2 into 17 into 3 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 2. So that are the factors of given numbers. Now into the square root 17 into 17, that is square of 17, into 3 into 3, that is square of 3, into 2 into 2, that is square of 2, and 2 into 2, that is square of 2. So taking square root, you know that square root of square of any number is equal to that number. Therefore it is equal to 17 into 3 into 2 into 2, that is 17 into 12. So 17 into 12, that is, yes, very good, 204 square centimeter. So area of that triangle is 204 square centimeter. Okay. Now next example. Next example, which is based on given diagram, given figure. In the figure, the plot is shown and its measurements are length of AM 60 meter, length of MN 60 meter, length of LN 96 meter, and length of OP 70 meter. Let's show these measurements in the given diagram. Length of LM 60 meter, length of MN, that is 60 meter, length of LN, that is 96 meters, and length of OP is equal to 70 meters. Now we have to find area of this plot. Now this plot, we can observe that there are two triangles. So area of quadrilateral or that plot is equal to area of triangle LMN and area of triangle LNO. So find first area of triangle LMN. Now in triangle LMN we have the information about the length of three sides. So which formula is useful there? Very good, Heron's formula. But we want to find semi perimeter first to use Heron's formula. So in triangle ALMN, A is equal to 60 meter, B is equal to also 60 meter, and C is equal to 96 meters. So S is equal to A plus B plus C upon 2. It is equal to 60 plus 60 plus 96 upon 2, and it is equal to 216 upon 2, and it is equal to 108 meter. 108 meter. Now by Heron's formula, area of a triangle LMN, it is equal to into square root S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C. So it is equal to 108 into bracket 108 minus 60 into 108 minus 60 and into 108 minus 96. So it is equal to 108 into, now 108 minus 60, that is 48, into again 48 and into 108 minus 96, that is 12. So it is equal to, now 108 is equal to 12 into 9 into 48 into 48 and into 12. Now 12 into 12, that is square of 12, into 48 into 48, that is square of 48, and into 9 means square of 3. Now square root of any square of any number, square of any number is that number itself. Therefore area of triangle LMN, it is equal to 12 into 48 into 3. Now do the multiplication and calculate the answer. Answer is 1728 square meter. So area of triangle LMN is now here 1728 square meter. Now we have to find area of triangle LNO. So area of triangle LNO, which information is given here for that calculation of area? Only base and height is given. So which formula can useful to find area of triangle LNO? So very good. Which formula? Area of triangle is equal to 1/2 into base into height. So let's use that formula to find area of triangle LNO. Okay. So area of triangle LNO, it is equal to 1/2 into base and into height. So it is equal to 1/2 into base is 96 into height, that is 70. So it is equal to 2 1 is 2, 2 4s are 8 and 2 8s are 16. So 48 into 70, yes, that is 3360 square centimeter. Now area of plot means area of quadrilateral LMNO. So area of quadrilateral LMNO, it is equal to area of triangle LMN and plus area of triangle LNO. So it is equal to 1728 plus 3360. So add these two. What is the answer? Yes, 8, 8, 0 and 5. 5088 square meter. That is the area of given quadrilateral LMNO, means given plot. So area plot is 5088 square meter. Okay, do you understand it? Now next we have to solve practice set 15.4. 3 examples are given there. Solve all 3 examples and show it to your subject teacher. Okay, thank you.